Hey everybody, my name is Alex from AK400, and today I am unboxing the Deepcool AK400. This is a cooler that I'm going to be using on my LG A1700 socket CPU. This does fit a few other ones. You can check the description for some additional information on this cooler, but let's get right into the unboxing. All right, that was pretty quick. This is a cool looking cooler, no pun intended. The fan style is actually really clean and neat, and the cooler has sort of this checkered pattern on it, which actually looks pretty nice. The top also, it's not just the top of the aluminum fins. It actually has this piece of plastic here. Honestly, it's a step above most of the coolers that I've seen. You also have a bunch of different adapters here that come with it. I'm sure the instructions will come in handy trying to figure out what goes with what. But I'm excited to get this on my CPU. It's 12600 i7, so nothing too crazy. I think this should cool it pretty easily considering the workloads that I'm going to have on it. All right, that's it. I will see you in the next one.